After much speculation, Stena Line has recently announced that their vessel, Stena Nordica, will be placed permanently on the Fishguard to Rosslare route to replace their ageing and oldest vessel, the Stena Europe, in July 2023. The Stena Nordica is currently undergoing a refit and extension work at Gdansk in Poland. The plan for the vessel is to add extra accommodation to the midship section of the vessel to include 2 extra lounges. The vessel is no stranger to the Irish Sea routes. The vessel is seen here covering on the Fishguard to Rosslare route in early 2013 and has covered Stena Line's other routes during the winter refit periods in recent years. The vessel was one time permanently in service on the Irish Sea on Stena Line's Holyhead to Dublin route before the vessel was switched to Stena Line's Baltic Sea route. Originally built for P&O Ferries in Japan as the European ambassador before Stena Line acquired the vessel. The vessel has also seen service on the Dover-Calais route on charter for DFDS Seaways as the Marlow Seaways. Deploying this vessel on the Fishguard to Rosslare route will hopefully improve reliability, having new tonnage on the route. With the old vessel, Stena Europe, having succumbed to an engine room fire recently before returning to service. The Fishguard to Rosslare route, ferry route, is quite unique, probably the only direct rail connected terminal to terminal ferry route. At Fishguard, passengers can get off a train, go directly into the terminal and board the ship. Though the passenger ramp on my trip recently was not working, it involved a bus trip, which was a bit stupid. At the port of Rosslare, just a short distance from the ferry terminal, is the Port of Rosslare train station, which is a bit rare these days to have a ferry route with an excellent rail connected service a short distance from the ferry terminals.